Lesson 3.8 is the part 2 of writing derivative as a limit. The first problem is going to be exactly what we did on the last lesson. You have this form of as h goes to 0, but there is another derivative form that's not involving h, and it's as x goes to just a number. So then it would be f of x minus f of that number over x minus the number. You'll see. So number 1, we have a function that's a polynomial. Determine the slope of the tangent line of f at a specific value. You don't have to simplify. So we're just practicing writing it without simplifying. So it would go f of, I'm going to go ahead and put in my x is 4. So 4 plus h minus f of 4 all over h. I'm going to go ahead and figure out that f of 4 is 3 times 4 cubed plus 4 to the 5th. And I get 1216, which is huge, but makes sense because I have powers. So I've got f. No, I'm not going to do f. 4 plus h goes in for x. So it'd be 3 times 4 plus h cubed plus 4 plus h to the 5th. Now, that would be awful to have to distribute and FOIL that many times. And then minus my f of 4, which is the 1216. Again, if you want to just put minus, you could do minus, but then you're going to have to put parentheses around your function. Well, you would have to have your 4 in there. So you would have 3 parentheses 4 cubed plus 4 times 5, 4 to the 5th, but a minus sign in front of all that. I just find it easier to go on and figure out the number. Is why I do that and put that all over h. And that's your answer on that one. Let's look at the second one that uses the other form. So see right here that it already shows me it's not as h goes to 0, it's as x goes to 2, which is also right here saying, here's my function, find the instantaneous rate of change, which means slope at x equals 2, and don't simplify. So our form goes, our function minus f of a. So it'll be my function 2 times natural log of x plus 5. You don't change anything. Minus f of a means literally just put 2 in for x. It'd be 2 natural log of 2 plus 5. You could go ahead and make that 7 or leave it. All over x minus your a value, which is the 2. And so almost an easier format.